Have you ever wondered what makes a tree weird or extraordinary? In a world bursting with biodiversity, trees come in all shapes and sizes, each with their own unique quirks and characteristics. Some trees, however, defy our conventional understanding of what a tree should be, embodying the uncanny, the bizarre, and the truly extraordinary. These trees may not fit the traditional mold of beauty, but they demonstrate that nature's splendor extends far beyond what we typically consider beautiful. They remind us that the natural world is not just about symmetry and order, but also about variety and surprise. Every tree has a story to tell, a story that has been shaped by centuries of evolution and adaptation. In this video, we'll journey through the vast expanses of our planet to uncover some of the world's weirdest trees. From the surreal to the sublime, these trees are a testament to the immense creativity of nature. So buckle up and prepare to be amazed by the world's most peculiar trees. Ever heard of a tree that grows upside down? Meet the baobab tree. This peculiar plant, native to the arid regions of Madagascar, mainland Africa, and Australia, has an uncanny resemblance to a tree planted upside down. It's as though in a whimsical moment, Mother Nature decided to flip the script and challenge our conventional understanding of trees. The baobab's thick, swollen trunk, crowned with sparse branches and tufted leaves, gives it a topsy-turvy appearance. But this quirky design serves a vital purpose. The baobab's bulbous trunk is nature's water tank, storing up to 100,000 liters of water to endure the harsh dry seasons. This remarkable tree, with its upside-down allure, is a testament to nature's adaptability and creativity. It stands as a symbol of resilience and survival, thriving in landscapes where few other species dare to venture. The baobab tree, nature's own version of an upside-down world. Who needs a paintbrush when you have the Rainbow Eucalyptus tree? This natural wonder, also known as Eucalyptus deglupta, is a true spectacle. It's not your typical tree. It doesn't wear the usual brown or green. Instead, it takes on an array of colors, an entire spectrum in fact, making it a living, breathing work of art. The secret behind this colorful display is in the tree's bark, which peels off in patches over time. As the old bark sheds, it reveals a bright, fresh layer underneath. This new bark starts off with a green hue, but as it matures and gets exposed to the elements, it transforms into shades of blue, purple, orange, and then maroon. It's a never-ending cycle, a continuous canvas of changing colors. This tree is a testament to the creativity of nature, always surprising us with its vibrant and unexpected displays. With its vibrant hues, the Rainbow Eucalyptus is nature's canvas. How about a tree that could be a villain in a superhero movie? Say hello to the sandbox tree. The sandbox tree, also known as Hura crepitans, might seem like an ordinary tree from afar, but get a little closer and you'll quickly realize it's anything but ordinary. This tree's bark is covered in conical spikes, making it look like something straight out of a horror movie. These spikes aren't just for show either. They serve as a formidable defense mechanism against animals that might want to take a bite. But the spikes aren't the only thing that makes the sandbox tree one of the most dangerous trees in the world. It also has a rather explosive personality. I'm referring, of course, to its fruit. The fruit of the sandbox tree, which resembles a small pumpkin, has a unique way of spreading its seeds. When the fruit ripens, it explodes. This explosion can send seeds flying at speeds of up to 150 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah can run. This explosive method of seed dispersal is not just a cool party trick, it's a survival strategy that ensures the seeds are spread far and wide, increasing the tree's chances of propagating its kind. However, it also poses a significant risk to anyone or anything unfortunate enough to be in the vicinity when the fruit explodes. The sandbox tree isn't just dangerous, it's also quite a spectacle. The spiky trunk and explosive fruit make it one of the most unique and fascinating trees you'll ever come across. It's a reminder of the incredible diversity that exists in nature and the lengths that some organisms will go to ensure their survival. So next time you're out exploring the great outdoors, keep an eye out for this spiky villain. But remember, keep a safe distance. After all, you wouldn't want to be on the receiving end of an exploding fruit. The sandbox tree, a dangerously weird specimen in the world of trees. What if a tree could strangle other trees? Meet the Strangler Fig. This might sound like a plot straight from a botanical horror movie, but the Strangler Fig's survival method is as extraordinary as it is ruthless. Native to the tropical and subtropical regions, the Strangler Fig begins its life as a tiny seed. But this seed doesn't germinate in the soil like most other trees. Instead, It starts its journey in the world high above the ground, usually in the branches of another tree. Birds and other animals feast on the fig's sweet fruit, and in the process, transport the seeds within their droppings. These seeds then find a home in the crevices of a host tree. Here, in the lofty heights, the seed germinates and sends down roots towards the forest floor. The host tree provides the young fig with the support and nutrients it needs to grow. As the fig matures, it sends out more roots that wrap around the host tree. Over time, these roots thicken and harden, forming a lattice-like cage around the host. This is where the fig earns its strangler name. It grows and expands, slowly but surely, strangling its host. The strangler fig is not just satisfied with encircling its host. It continues to grow upwards, competing with the host for sunlight. Eventually, the host tree dies, either from being strangled or starved of sunlight. The fig's roots then take over, replacing the host's trunk and standing tall in its place. This might seem like a cruel process, but it's a crucial part of the ecosystem. The strangler fig plays a vital role in forest regeneration. It provides food and shelter to a variety of wildlife, and its hollow trunk serves as a home for many creatures once the host tree has died. So, while the strangler fig might be a silent assassin in the plant world, it's also a life giver. It's a stark reminder of the fascinating and sometimes brutal ways that life persists in the natural world. The strangler fig, a real-life tree assassin. Ready for the weirdest tree on our list? Introducing the dragon blood tree. This is no ordinary tree, my friends. This tree is a spectacle of nature that challenges our understanding of what a tree can look like. The dragon blood tree, known scientifically as Dracaena cinnabari, is a marvel of botanical architecture. Its defining feature is its unique umbrella shape. Picture an oversized mushroom, but instead of a smooth cap, it's a dense network of branches, each one sprouting clusters of thick, rigid leaves. It's as if the tree is a living, breathing umbrella, offering shade to the creatures below in its native habitat. Now, why the name dragon blood, you ask? This is where things get even more intriguing. When the bark or leaves of this tree are cut, it bleeds, but it doesn't bleed the way you and I do. Its sap is a deep crimson red, reminiscent of dragon blood, hence the name. This sap has been used for centuries for its purported medicinal properties and as a vibrant natural dye. This tree hails from a remote island in the Arabian Sea called Socotra, part of Yemen. Socotra is often referred to as the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean because it's home to an array of unique species that can't be found anywhere else on Earth. The dragon blood tree is one such species. Sadly, like many weird and wonderful things in our world, the dragon blood tree is under threat. Deforestation, climate change, and overgrazing are all posing serious challenges to its survival. It's currently listed as an endangered species. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and preserve these magnificent trees, but their future remains uncertain. The dragon blood tree is a testament to the extraordinary diversity of life on our planet. It defies typical tree characteristics with its peculiar umbrella shape and its blood-red sap. It's a tree that pushes the boundaries of what we understand a tree to be, embodying the essence of weirdness in the botanical world. But perhaps what's most intriguing about the dragon blood tree is its resilience. Despite the harsh, arid conditions of its native Socotra, it thrives, standing tall and proud with its umbrella canopy reaching towards the sky. It's a reminder that even in the most adverse conditions, life finds a way to not just survive, but to flourish in all its weird and wonderful glory. So next time you find yourself marveling at the wonders of nature, remember the dragon blood tree. Remember its umbrella canopy that defies traditional tree shapes. Remember its dragon blood sap that adds a touch of myth and magic to our world. And remember its resilience, standing tall and proud in the face of adversity. The dragon blood tree, taking weirdness and wonder to a whole new level. And there you have it, some of the world's weirdest trees. From the gravity-defying upside-down tree to the vibrant rainbow eucalyptus, the intimidating spiky tree, the strangling strangler fig, to the ultimate weird tree, each one is an embodiment of nature's fascinating eccentricity. These trees are not just oddities but vital parts of our world's rich biodiversity. Let's appreciate their uniqueness and strive to protect them. After all, weird is just another word for wonderful in the world of trees.